If your Google Chrome is showing up in another language and you want to switch it to English, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a simple way. Changing the Chrome language is useful if you want a more familiar browsing experience, or if you accidentally installed Chrome in the wrong language and need to fix it quickly. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three dots menu. This is the main menu for Chrome, and from here you can access all the browser settings. Once the menu opens, click Settings. If you see a gear icon, that is the correct one to choose. On the Settings page, look at the left-hand menu and click Languages. This section controls the language Chrome uses for menus, buttons and the browser interface. If English is not already listed, click Add Languages. A list of languages will appear. Scroll through and select English, then click Add to add it to your Chrome language list. After that, find English in the language list and click the three dots next to it. From the options that appear, check the box that says Display Google Chrome in this language. This tells Chrome that you want the browser interface to appear in English. Once you select that option, Chrome will usually ask you to restart. Click Relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the change. After Chrome opens again, the menus and settings should now display in English. If you don't see the change right away, just repeat the steps and make sure English is set as the display language before relaunching. And that's it. You've successfully changed Chrome to English. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.